We continue part 2.
Okay.
Okay, now you go. Now I will put what I'm doing now. I'm putting the camera on a tripod. The gimbal, it's not a gimbal, it's handheld gimbal. So now the video will stabilize and you will now observe better. Sorry for the thing. In a few seconds we fix the problem with the driving experience. So my point was this: you have to break it down on small pieces, like the stop signs. What do we do? 1, 2, 3. We count to 3 in our head, not in front of the instructor, okay? Because they're gonna think that you are crazy. And we continue driving. So now I have to help her a little bit because we are speeding up. It's about 10 miles per hour we are moving. It's true, I'm looking at the thing. You look in the front.
And
now,
here someone stopped.
Okay, what do you do? What do we do?
I have to go around.
Yeah, but where is the signal? The signal.
I did.
Excuse me. Oh, do we click? We click. Okay, good. Do we click the other way? Now there is a stop sign here. Wow, that is a challenge. How these people always, you know. Okay, now let's go forward. We go forward, yes. Forward, excuse me. Forward is straight. Be a straight man, okay? Yes, my man, you gotta be a straight man, okay? You don't have to be the opposite of straight. So now, yeah, we are smooth ride. This is called a smooth ride. I can tell you about a lot of driving jokes. If you see somebody misbehaving and if you don't know who's the driver, what do you call them? Excuse me, there's a question.
Jožek, you chose the perfect time.
Yes, what do you call?
For me, being the worst conversationalist ever, because you know, when I'm focused on driving, I cannot do anything else. I cannot think, I cannot reply.
That is a problem.
Can we do this video when you...
That's the whole purpose of the video, to do it now, so people can see what is...
So you can outshine me.
I don't have to outshine you, I'm just want to put you on the spotlight. You're on the spotlight now. Okay, let's get back to the joke. When you see somebody misbehaving, like this person over there, right? And if you don't know who's the driver, what do you call them? A woman. Why? Because women...
Don't be a misogynist.
Don't be a misogynist, okay? Because women are not very experienced with vehicles, right? They don't like to drive too much.
Not all women are like me.
Not all women are like me. Not all men are like us, okay? And we continue. Why I'm saying this? Because women, they don't like to drive, right?
Some of them do.
Some of them do. They are exceptionally good drivers. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. So yeah. We are doing very well. You're doing it well. Speed up a little bit, please. We're gonna miss the boat. We have a boat. Just want to tell you about this boat. The boat is parked somewhere, and we don't know what to do with the boat. If you want to buy our boat, please tell us. We're gonna sell it to you for like $1,000. It's a big boat, 27 yards. It's a big boat. Now the purpose of this is to distract the driver. That's another thing. You know, these annoying people that sit around you, next to you, like I'm that annoying person right now, trying to annoy her and to this. But in the driving world, you know, you don't drive alone too much. You drive either with your spouse, either with your kids. And what the kids are doing in the back, they're boom, 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 boom. They're like, mommy, papi, and boom, an accident. Well, it is not easy. Stop. Yeah, there is a car. Be careful with other crazy drivers on the street, because there are
stopped.
A lot of them. He stopped? Yeah, he stopped. That's right.
Not right away, but he did.
Not right away, but yeah.
Like...
Now you can you please internalize how you feel now on the phone while you're driving, to give them a glimpse of yeah, you can talk. Now we're gonna exercise two things done at the same time: driving and talking. Yes?
it's not the best idea, okay?
It is the best idea.
Now I know. You wanted me to be on your video, but you didn't want me to talk. That's why you chose this moment when I drive.
Now you can talk. I never stop you of talking.
Of course. But you know that I can't.
I know you can. You're doing it now.
So I'm taking
This is how you do the shortcut. You trick them. You trick the students to do 2 or 3 things, activities. They don't notice it and they learn. This way they learn. If you're a good instructor, you always have to trick your students in, because they have to learn faster. You cannot imagine that a student learn to drive for like 3 months, and what he will be doing? He has to stay silent? I don't think so. Stop sign, fantastic, good. Very good. And the dog, the Pavlov dog, you give them a little bit of rewards. When they do something right, you give them a reward, like you tell them like this, good. Oh, you're doing great. Oh, fantastic, good. Speed up, please. Faster.
Not here.
Faster, please. Come on. Alrighty, good. You gotta go wider here. Go wider a little bit. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Now we are in a.
Why are you yelling?
Oh. Alrighty.
The last time
You are the
I'm
best.
having the driving lesson while you're filming me.
That's.
Because you're not adequate,
You're not adequate. Okay.
No.
So now excuse me guys, I'm gonna become like the real good instructor for a couple of minutes, okay? Bear with me. Let me put the seat belt.
You want to distract your audience, but you forget that you have to watch me.
I watch you. I am the multi-universe being that is paying attention to 10 million things at the same time. My stomach now it's telling me.
Actually, can you teach me the parallel parking today?
Yes, parallel parking. Wow.
We can just start today, and then we'll continue tomorrow and on Sunday.
I love you. That's called brevity. You are so brave.
No, but we don't have to use actual cars, It's like kinda...
That's right. We're gonna parallel parking with no cars. How?
Yes. So I know the technique, and then we can try on cars.
Okay. Now we'll do that. Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. How about the K-turn?
Yes, K-turn, and after this 3-point turn, we can start practicing parallel parking.
All right. 1 month we've been driving every morning, 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning. We are the early bird. We wake up so early.
Has it been 1 month already?
It has been. It's in the book. It's in my book. It's 1 month. Not 1 month, but let's be fair, 27 and a half days.
Okay. Another car stopped at the stop sign.
They are just stop there. Okay, go right here now. Fantastic. Okay.
Don't you see he has emergency lights?
That is for me to see or for you to see? All right. It was a good guy. Thank you. You say thank you, appreciate.
And then I have to drive closer to this stop and stop again. I learned it
that is correct.
from the book.
That is correct.
1